We'll guide you through how to download and install Modrinth for Minecraft mods and modpacks. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Modrinth is a great place for getting mods for Minecraft as well as modpacks, and the app makes it so much easier, so let's guide you through this. First of all, you can quit Minecraft. Here we are on the desktop, so what you need to do is go and open up a web browser just like so, and you can come to a new tab. And what you need to do is go and type in Modrinth like so, and what you need to do is come to modrinth.com. So you can just go and download mods from Modrinth, but it is much easier with the app. So at the top here, we can click on Get Modrinth app like so, and we can then click on Download the Modrinth app, and it's going to go and start. Now, before we start the install process, a big thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring the video. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description that you can go and check out. They've got so many great features, for example, 24/7 servers and 24/7 live chat assistance, meaning you can get help anytime you need it, ultra latency, meaning your server will be smooth, and much more. So check out the link below. But to continue with the guide, now you downloaded it, you can come out of your browser and you want to come into your downloads folder. So you can right click on File Explorer and click Downloads. Go and find Modrinth and you can then go and double tap on it like so. You'll get a security pop-up you need to agree to. And then what we can do is go through this, choose the destination folder, and it will go and start installing. Really simple. Now what I'll do is press finish and it should go and open up, and here we are. For this to go and work, you need to have gone and purchased Minecraft and have an account. So we can go to the top right here and go and sign in. So I'll press on the login button and I'll go and sign in with my details. I've now signed in, as you can see, and we can now continue. So what we want to do is we can go and discover modpacks by clicking discover a modpack. I've now gone and signed in, as you can see. Now you want to come over to the left and go and click on discover content. So here you can go and see modpacks. So to get one of these, come over to the right and you can go and press install like so, and it'll then go and start downloading and installing. When it's installed, you can click on your library over to the left here, and here it is. Hover over it and press play and it'll launch. And here we are, it's now gone and loaded, and we can now go and start playing it. Really straightforward. Now, if you want to do this with the mods instead, you can go and click on the discover content icon to the left. Click on mods and you can start finding the mods you want to use. So for example, go and find one. I'll use just enough items. So come over to the right and you can click on add to an instance, and we can go and then create one. You can click on create new instance and we can then go and give this a name. I'll name this guide, and we can then go and press create like so. It will load it and you can then go and see the mods here. And what we can do is go and click on install content and we can go and install more. So you can click install and it'll then go and be added into it. You can then press the back button in the top left and we can press play, and we can then play with these mods. It's that simple, and of course you can create more instances as well. And so that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.